I want to thank you, amazing customers, because without you, we wouldn't be here today.
Yeah!
I love everybody. I absolutely love coming to work.
As you can see, retail is alive and well in downtown Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, where I'm standing in Annie's Fountain City Cafe, the winner of the 48-hour makeover with Wisconsin Economic Development Center, downtown Fond du Lac, and Retail Works. And I'm standing in front of this fabulous slat wall that was donated by Windmill, as well as Formica, that donated the laminate on top of the slat wall. We were here for the last 48 hours, finished 8 o'clock last night, and got the whole place merchandised and displayed, I think, beautifully. We went with Slatwall because it's one of the most versatile ways to merchandise all the different product lines that Annie carries. So she features a lot of different artists that have a lot of different types of product, whether it's hanging or on shelves or in bins. That's the beauty of Slatwall, is it can accommodate all those different product lines.
This is so organized on this slat wall, and it looks so pretty. People can actually shop it. Our goal is to give people the chance to sell their art and what they're making.
I think it's really an exciting time to be a retailer today. I know a lot of people talk about the online competition, but to me, that's a chance for a retailer to really step up to the plate and create an amazing customer experience, and to do that interior up right so that they're appealing to the target market, featuring their product lines, providing extra services that make for an amazing customer experience.
I am so in awe of what this cafe has turned into. All the people that are here, I don't know how to even explain it. It's amazing.